Robotic arm swings flexibly and operates efficiently, driving a comprehensive increase in production capacity. In this video, let's see how CrownCAD empowers the intelligent design of robotic arm. First, let's begin with a core custom component, the support arm. Right-click to open the part. The full modeling history is available in the left panel. We start by creating a base solid. Then quickly shape the basic structure using shell, cut hole, and mirror features. Next, we design the smaller end of the support arm. Here, we use similar operations like extrusion and cutting to complete the design efficiently. Now, let's bring it all together in an assembly. We can add mates and geometric constraints to each part, enabling precise multi-joint assembly with ease. After assembly, simply drag the components in real time to check for motion interference. Through animation, we can validate the robotic arm's motion trajectory in advance. After confirming everything is correct, we can export the assembly BOM with one click. The BOM supports custom enterprise templates, allowing you to create standard compliant manufacturing documents directly. Start your project today at www.crowncad.com.